welcome to Sparrow. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through setting up and using environments to optimize your API testing workflow. Let's start by navigating to the Environments tab on the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of existing environments. By default, a global environment is already available. Next, let's understand the environment selector. At the top right corner, you'll see a drop-down labeled Select Environment. By default, it's set to None. In this state, only global environment variables are accessible. Now, let's set up some global environment variables. Click on the Global Variables environment in the list. Add your key value pairs here. These will be accessible no matter which environment is selected. Click Save to confirm. Let's move on to creating a custom development environment. Click the plus icon or the Add Environment button. Rename it to Development. Then enter your environment-specific key value pairs. Click the Save icon to finish. To switch between environments, use the same drop-down at the top right. Select None to rely solely on global variables, or choose Development to enable its custom variables. Now let's see how to use these variables in your API requests. Select your desired environment, then open any request from your collection. Click inside the URL field and type an opening brace. You'll see an autocomplete list of available variables based on the selected environment. Pick one from the list to insert it directly into your request. If you want to test a request with no environment selected, choose None from the dropdown. Open your request and type out again. This time, only global variables will appear in the autocomplete list. After updating the URL with the variable, click the Save icon. Your request is now reusable across multiple environments. Finally, with your environment selected and variables in place, hit Send. Sparrow will replace the variables with their corresponding values from the selected environment and send the request. And that's it. Thanks for watching. You've successfully set up and used environments in Sparrow.